Oh, my feathers, I need a new look. Something jungle chic. Something fierce. Let's see. Leaf hat? Check. Vine shoes? Check. Mud sunglasses? Double check. Hello, runway.
Nice mud shades, Felix. Are those squishy socks too?
They're limited edition Vine shoes. Thank you very much.
Felix, your leaf hat flew off and landed on a toucan.
Oh, jungle wins. So unpredictable for fashionistas.
That was the most fabulous fall I've ever seen.
Well, I may not have nailed jungle fashion, but I definitely started a new trend. Laughter. And from that day on, every full moon was jungle fashion night. Not for style, but for smiles. It's okay to try new things and be silly. Laughter is the best accessory you can wear.